Hello everyone, I just got done opening up a box of 2011 Panini Limited Baseball. There are 3 hits per box on average, and here's what I got. I will start off with an Andrew Susac draft hits, number 2/199. Matt Vogel, Team USA, number 2/199. Clayton Kershaw, number 2/249. Mike Walker, Prospects, number 2/249. And here come hits. Got an International Flair Ronald Guzman autograph, and this is number 2/499. Elvis Andrus autograph, number 2/299. And my last hit was a Ryan Sandberg Limited Gamers Game Used Glove, number 267. This is pretty cool. I don't think I've ever pulled out a Game Used Glove card before. Alright, thanks for watching. I will talk to you later.